In my pan here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 guajillo chilies that I'm going to warm up and kind of wake them up. They're dried. I'm going to make my own enchilada sauce, and we're going to make some ground beef enchiladas. And now I will do 6 ancho chilies. The same way, warming this up kind of is like, you know how people like to warm their spices to wake them up. It's the same thing. And it makes them a little more pliable. So I've already started on the guajillos. And I cut the top off, the stem off, and I cut them open. If you do this quickly while they're still warm, it's easier. And just get rid of all the seeds. And there will be sort of a membrane usually in these as well that you can take out. And if you're wondering how you spell guajillo, here it is, chili guajillo. But I'll have all the ingredients listed and the recipe in the description under the video. Next I'm going to take 4 or 5 garlic. They kind of split on me. We'll call it 4 garlic. And we're going to take all of our chilies, put those in the water. 3 tomatoes, 3 Roma tomatoes. I'm going to bring this to a boil. Then I will let it boil, simmer boil for 8 minutes. In my blender, if you like cilantro, you can add some cilantro stems. I just added a few to your enchilada sauce if you like them. I'm going to add, this is about half of an onion. Put that in there. And all the stuff that we boiled. All of our chilies. Our tomatoes are really soft. That's what you want. Get all that in there. This is really going to be good. I'm telling you. I'm making extra sauce for plating and so everything looks nice. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of plain vinegar, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons oregano, and 2 cups of the soaking liquid. We'll blend this up. Next we'll make our filling. Here I have my ground beef that I have cooked, 1 pound. I seasoned it with salt and pepper. I'm going to add 2 cups of sour cream to that. I'm going to add 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese you want, really. I'm going to use a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper, cayenne pepper, and we'll get this mixed up. Somehow I got very fresh tortillas. I don't know how that happened. So I'm only going to dip them on one side, because if I dip them on this side as well, they fall apart. Just crumble and fall apart. And assemble your tortillas like that. I have them all rolled up, and I even made a little mini dish of them. So now I'm going to cover these with sauce. I did spray the dishes, you know, with the kitchen spray. So I put some cheese on top, and now I'm going to put this in my 350-degree oven. Here it is.
My apologies, I don't understand.
Out of the oven. It baked for 30 minutes. Just need to let it cool off. I'm going to put a little bit of cilantro on top, just for color and flavor. Here it is. I plated with some enchilada sauce on the bottom, and if you don't make these, that's fine. Make the enchilada sauce. You'll love it. It's very nice and mild. I didn't make it real spicy hot. And then the enchiladas, I put some lettuce, iceberg lettuce, and some queso fresco on top. If you want it spicy, you're going to have to add some, or you can add some hot sauce on top, you know, something like that. Just delicious. That is so good. Thank you so much for watching.